Namaste. My name is Dasi Dorota and I'm from Poland. I originally came to Ayurved Guru to deepen my knowledge of Ayurveda and Panchakarma, but also to restore my health and cleanse my body on a deeper level. As a dietitian, meditation teacher and naturopath, I have always taken care of my body through proper diet, physical activity and mental well-being. However, over the past few years, my close family member was diagnosed with cancer, and being actively involved in his treatment process, I neglected my own health a bit. So, this time at Ayurved Guru was also a period of recovery for me. I appreciate the most it's the friendly and family-like atmosphere. From the moment I arrived to the daily care, conversations and guidance through the therapies. Everything was well organized, the staff was extremely kind, and the cleanliness of both the rooms and treatment spaces was impeccable. The personalized touch in every treatment was something I greatly valued. From the choice of music to the pressure during massages and the temperatures of oils, everything was adjusted to my preferences. I was provided with a personalized diet and herbal medicines tailored to my needs. The dedication the doctors and staff show to each patient, not just me, but everyone there, is truly impressive. What amazed me is that all the ingredients used in the meals are grown organically on Ayurved Guru farm, and you can taste the freshness and quality in every bite. My day started with morning hatha yoga and pranayama led by the doctors themselves. After breakfast, I had therapies spread through the day along with the remaining meals and some free time to rest. For those wanting to stay active, there is a terrace, a stationary bike, and workout bench available. Though I every day perform auto abhyanga at home, my absolute favorite treatments at Ayurved Guru were the full abhyanga with svedana, herbal steam therapy, shirodhara, and the facial massages combined with special rejuvenating face masks. These therapies not only revitalized my body but also rejuvenated my skin in a way I hadn't experienced before. The stay allowed me to cleanse my body of toxins and free my mind from unwanted emotions and traumas. To my delight, I returned to a healthy weight, losing 11 kgs while eating more than I do at home. After going through the Snehapana and Virechana process, I rid myself of chronic fatigue, so now I wake up full of energy. The Kativasti treatments relieved my back pain and the eye treatments improved my night vision. There is still some work to be done to maintain my health, but the doctors continue to support me even after my return home, always ready to answer my questions. In summary, I highly recommend staying at Ayurved Guru to anyone seeking healing. But remember, 1/3 of the treatment depends on you, your mindset and your commitment to following the advice and guidelines both during your stay and after returning home. So finally, I want to express my deep gratitude to the entire staff, the therapists, and the awesome doctors at Ayurved Guru for their incredible care and dedication. Thank you all so much. Namaste.